Hello, today we are going to look at how you can configure Salesforce or JWT in MuleSoft. So for this to configure, we need these details and let's go to Salesforce and configure our connected app to get these. So currently I'm at Salesforce, you need to click on setup, and once you are on this screen, you need to write certificates because before we need to create a connected app, we need to create a certificate. So go to certificate and key management. Here you need to click self-signed certificate and just write this thing and save. Okay, this name exists. So mule JWT certs, save. Let's download the certificate. Okay, the certificate is downloaded. Now let's download the key store as well. We need to provide a password to this key store. Let's do that and export. Okay, now key store is also exported. Let's create app in app manager. Okay, click on new connected app, create a connected app. Yes, connect, continue. Give connected app a name. Let's say this one. Contact email, I would say this. And you don't need, I mean, you can configure these details as per your availability. Click on this, enable OAuth settings, and add a callback URL. Now click on use digital certificates. Since you have downloaded a certificate, you need to upload that one. Here in the scopes, you need two scopes. The first one is manage user data via API, and second one is perform request at any time. Apart from this, I think we are good. Here you just click on save. It says it take 10 minutes to create, and after this click on manage, click on edit policies. Now here under permitted users, you have to select admin approved users are pre-authorized. Click on OK. Now this, save this. Here you can see this profile option, so click on manage profile and select system administrator. Okay, once this is done, you need to go back on the connected app. It was MuleSoft connected app, and get few details. So first detail that we need is consumer ID. Copy consumer ID. Let's open Notepad, or we can directly write it in MuleSoft. So this is going to be the consumer ID. Key store, we are going to configure it. Key store password I can write now. Certificate alias I can give. Okay, let's leave it here only. Now we need, I think this is it that we need from Salesforce side. And now let's add the certificate in Mule application. So you need to add it under source main resources. So if I open it, go to download and place this certificate here. Let's copy the certificate name and put it in Salesforce config. Certificate alias is going to be, I think we write MuleSoft JWT cert, mule underscore JWT certs. Principal is going to be the email or the username of the user who wants to edit. Like for example, in case of MuleSoft, you have one integration user in Salesforce, and that user has to be a system administrator. You need to write the email or his username here. Now I think these are the only details that you need. You need to click on test connection. Okay, this is configured. And just one more thing. So in case of sandbox environment, you need to replace this login with test. And that is it for today's video.